Namaste beautiful yogis, welcome to Ali Kamenova Yoga. Andy Warhol said that in the future everybody is going to get their 15 minutes of fame. So based on that statement and on his inspiring art, we are starting the Fame series. Now everybody is going to get their 15 minutes of yoga, heat and quick workouts.
When your dreams come true, and you got 15 minutes when your dreams come true, and you're living your life without a care. When your dreams come true.
So every day I will be posting a brand new workout, brand new class, espresso shot, heat, or a relaxation class. Some days will be harder, some days we'll stretch a little more, and we'll base each and every class on a famous archetype. We'll cover pop yoga, rock star, the starlet, the martyr, the saint, the witch, the outlaw. And those are just some of them. There's going to be 30 unique and amazing archetypes, and we'll do a class for each and every archetype with a meditation during the class on the energy of the archetype, because archetypes have a strong influence on our subconscious, and oftentimes our actions can be fueled by the shadow and the light side of the archetypes within our own selves. So this is a 30-day challenge so that we can get the momentum going. We're only going to be doing 15 minutes a day, and we can see how in shape, how fit, how uplifted we can get in 30 days in just 15 minutes a day. Of course, for the seasoned veterans on my website, you can just do the classes and then whatever else you typically do. But for many people, this will be a really good opportunity to bring yoga into their life. So come on over to my website, alikamenova.com. There is no contract, you can cancel anytime. It is $9.99 a month, and you get access to all the previous classes, which is 400 unique, never seen on YouTube classes, and the programs that are ongoing each and every month. The Booty series, the Total Body program, and now it's the Fame series. So if you don't want to join the membership, you can still do some of them on YouTube. Every Wednesday and every Sunday there is going to be one of the Fame classes on YouTube. So I hope to see you on my website and on my YouTube, and let's flow with strength and ease.
When your dreams come true, and you got 15 minutes when your dreams come true, and you're living your life without a care. When your dreams come true.